Hi, my name is Chunli. I will be demonstrating how to use the Sheets to Written Report application to automate report creation from spreadsheets, as well as the PagePerfect application to add beautiful formatting to reports. I have some data on participants who sat for some test, and would like to create reports for these participants. In my Google homepage in the app launcher, I will head over to Google Sheets and select the sheet with the data. On the sheet, in the Extensions tab, head over to Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Sheets to Written Report and install it. Take note of how Sheets to Written Report is spelled. While installing, choose your email account and grant all the necessary permissions. After installation, refresh your page so you can see all the menu items. In the Extensions tab, in the Sheets to Written Report menu items, you can see remaining report credits. Upon installation, you are given free 120 report credits. Report credits are what you use to generate reports, so for every row of report you generate, you will lose 1 report credit. So 120 report credits will generate 120 reports. When you ran out of report credits, you can purchase report credits by selecting the Purchase Report Credits, which will take you to our pricing page. We accept card, PayPal and bank transfers. For persons in Africa, we accept MMO payments as well. You don't have to be on a monthly subscription. You only purchase the credits you want, starting at $1 for the basic pack, which gives 20 report credits, $2 for 50 credits in the starter pack, $10 for 300 credits, $20 for 700 credits, and in the gold pack, you get 5,000 credits for $100. All credits are non-expiry. You can always speak to customer support in the bottom of the page if you want to purchase credits, or use the WhatsApp button for support. In order to generate reports, select the Generate Bulk Report button to open the sidebar where you can specify details for the report. Give the report an appropriate name. This time I am calling it Demo Status Report. I am generating reports for row 2 to row 11, so in total 10 reports will be generated. It is good practice to generate one report and proofread before generating in bulk, so you don't make a mistake and waste report credits. So if I select Start Row 2 and End Row 2, it will produce reports for only row 2, since I am starting and ending at 2. Now take note of my report headers: ID, name, age, sex, and status. I can start typing the report in the text area, but since I will be generating reports often from this spreadsheet, I have a prepared template which I will copy into my text area with the placeholders. Note the way the placeholders are included. Column A, written with a capital letter C, and a capital letter A, which is for the ID, and column B for name, C for age, and so on. Include the placeholders in your text as you want them to appear in your report. You can also select the placeholders from the drop-down. After few moments on selecting Generating Reports, I will be notified that the generation is done. So in my Google homepage again in the app launcher, when I select Google Docs and go into my Google Documents, or alternatively, when I type docs.google.com, which will land me in my Google Documents, I should see my report generated with the name I specified, Demo Status Report. When I open it, I should see 10 pages of the reports generated for the rows I specified. Just as you see a 101 for Belinda, a 102 for Mary, and so on. Remember, in your Google Sheets, you generated 10 reports, so when you check your report credits, you should have 110 instead of the earlier 120 credits. What if you want to format the report, increase some font sizes, add bold to some text, and change some font types? You can add formatting to only the first page. If you have generated, for example, 50 reports, it will not be realistic to scan through all the reports and add formatting one after the other. So in your Google Docs, head over to the Extensions tab and then to the Google Marketplace and search for PagePerfect and install it. Take note of the spelling. PagePerfect is spelled as one word. Granting all necessary permission while installing. Always remember to refresh your page after the install. With your formatting only in the first page, run the add-on by selecting Apply or Format Reports. In seconds, your first page formatting is applied to all the other pages. It is completely free to use PagePerfect. Use Sheets to Written Report for financial reports, school report, lab reports, and all other workflows.